In this PRISM training, I'm going to cover the property module. From PRISM's homepage, click on the Properties button. This will list all your active acquisition projects. Click on the project. This will bring up the list of properties that are within this project. I'm going to click this first one. This opens up your property window. For this acquisition project, there are 4 pages: basics, metrics, costs, and attachments. If you have a development project or restoration project, there will only be 2 pages under the property details. For the property basics page, all the informations are driven from the application. You may use this property mapping tool to map your property. Please refer to another training video on our website on how to map your properties in PRISM. Let's go through them and click on Next to go to the metrics page. Depends on the status of your project. You may or may not be able to change certain metrics for the properties. But if you are able to do so, this page is where you change them. Click on Save. Go to the Costs page. Information on this page are all driven from other parts of the project, so you cannot change them here. Click Next to go to the Attachment page. You may attach additional attachments to this property. Now we'll refresh the property for errors checking. One thing to remember is, even though we have all green check marks in front of each page, there is a very good chance that we'll come back and visit this piece of property because of other reasons. With that being said, let's close this new property window and look for example. Under buildings, we have this draft building number 5. From anywhere, we can do a check page for errors. This error message will appear. Need to enter more information for property. Go ahead and click on the property. And this time, it gave us additional error messages. This property needs to be mapped before submitting the bill. Use the full screen map button to find the edit tools. Again, please refer to the other training video on how to map the properties. The second error message said this property needs to be mapped before submitting the final report. The final report is the other place you might get asked to come back to the property page. Within the final report, go to Certify and Submit page, check the report. All pages must be checked off. So following the red mark, we'll go to the Properties page. Very similar error messages. For this property, not only it needs to be mapped, but also the metrics page is missing some information. The missing metrics is highlighted in red. You can just go ahead and fix it in here. Click on Save. Refresh. And now the metrics page was fixed. All you need to do is to map your properties. If you have more questions or comments regarding to the property module, please contact the PRISM support team. Thanks for watching.